What's up, guys? You're tuning in to Trap Bistro TV with your boy Big Set Trip and my lovely co-host Marissa.
Hey guys!
We got a special recipe today. We're gonna make some papaya salad. And all these ingredients are fresh from the garden. So we got us some nice green papayas. We're gonna show you how to make some Asian style salad. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you wanna see us whip up that pot. Alright, so the ingredients you're gonna need for this dish are some green papayas. They're firm, they're not soft like the ripe ones. Lemons or limes. A lot of chilies. We got regular Thai chilies, and because we like it extra spicy, we got a couple habaneros in the garden too. What do we got there?
We got garlic.
Got some garlic. And some dried shrimps.
Dried shrimps. Wow, I used to snack on these when I was a kid.
Yeah, they have them everywhere, Asian store or the Mexican market.
Very good.
We're gonna need some sugar. We got palm sugar, that gives it a little extra Asian flavor, but you can use any type of sugar you want. And that one, right there, fish sauce.
Oh, I love fish sauce.
Yeah.
Sure makes your house smell good.
Now I want to tell you guys, there's a whole bunch of different ways to make papaya salad. Every country makes it different. Every family probably makes it different. So I'm gonna show you guys my way. So if you guys, don't like it, just let me know in the comments and let me know how you guys make it, okay? So this papaya came from our tree in the back. A little lumpy, but it'll get the job done. Marissa, what you can do is peel this off.
Okay.
And then we're gonna shred it, okay?
Sounds good.
You work on that while I work on the sauce.
All right. Oh, I might cut my finger off. Am I doing it right?
Yeah. All right, you want to switch? Here.
Yeah. I don't cut.
All right. I hate this part. That's why I try to have Marissa do it.
Okay.
First things first, we gotta get the ingredients in the mortar and pestle and smash them up. Garlic. All right. Garlic.
All right, guys.
We're gonna put all at the same time.
All right. So
get to smashing.
Start smashing it.
Oh, just smash it.
You guys can take turns.
The peppers. Just make sure they're not open their eyes because the peppers can break up.
Oh, how awesome!
All right. And the peppers. Here you go.
Can I cut?
Put them all in and smash it all up.
Okay. Be careful because the peppers, you don't want them to get in your eyes or they will burn.
Don't close your eyes for this one, baby.
Let's see how it's looking so far, guys. Ooh.
I'm going to smash it
Good.
more.
Keep going.
I really want to put 2 of them inside so we both don't need to. Wait, can you get them faster?
Marissa, see how the kids are squatting really low?
Yeah, runs in the genes.
The lower you squat, the better it tastes.
Yeah.
It's looking good, Malia. Thanks for your help. All right. Ooh, we got the peppers all. You want to make a nice little paste.
It smells so good.
It smells really good already. Just wait till we get everything in there. Marissa, can you help me cut up this lemon from our tree? I'm so glad we have some helpers in the Trap Bistro today. That's going to make this whole recipe go a lot faster. And you know what, Asian cooking, we're very family oriented, so the more people you can have in the kitchen helping you, the better it's going to taste and the quicker it's going to go.
Here?
Well, you put it in there, you can take the seeds out.
Here.
And then we need 1 bowl of that fish sauce right there.
Okay.
So let me grab a little bowl.
Mom, can I squeeze the lemon?
Let me grab another one.
Here, can you squeeze this one because I took the seeds out? Go ahead.
It's to taste, okay? So the key is after you taste the salad, you gotta adjust your fish sauce, your lemon, all that stuff. So now everything is smashed to a paste. This is gonna help it thicken up.
The lemon squeezer. It's more easier.
All right, guys, I forgot. You need tamarind. So I lied. This isn't from the garden. But if any of you guys got some seeds, send your boys some seeds and I'll grow this too. So throw that in there. And we got our lemon juice. Let's toss that in there too. Mmm.
We have some pulp in there too. Some pulp from the lemon.
Yeah, you want this sauce to be thick, so make sure it's nice and thick. Okay, guys? Keep on smashing that up. If it splash everywhere, don't trip. All good.
I can smell it. It's so strong.
Give me a hand, Leah.
So strong.
Hope Hope you guys like spicy. All right, and then you guys can see we got this shredded up that papaya, use your scraper.
Put your kids to work, guys.
That's the Asian motto right there. Ooh, it's looking good. That's how it should look. Just needs a little bit more smashing. So, how's it looking, Marissa? That thick, saucy consistency, right?
This looks so good. Like really good.
All right. So we're gonna get rid of this guy. Don't need this for now.
Okay, we're done with that.
But we're gonna need a big spoon. Oh, actually, we do need. My bad. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna put the papaya in there.
All right.
You need your biggest spoon and the smasher.
Can I show you something?
All right.
Can I show you something? Watch.
Let's get that papaya
All
all
up in there.
Guys, it's okay to use your hands too.
It's okay to use your hands.
Right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, so this is the key. One hand with the spoon, one hand with the smasher. You're smashing the flavor into the papaya, okay? And then you stir. So get all that sauce from the bottom, distribute to the top, and smash it in. Yeah.
Looks so good.
So all the sauce is on the bottom, so you want to get the sauce to the top, smash it in. All right, Marissa, go ahead and give that a shot.
Smells delicious. Get all that flavor in from the bottom.
Go ahead and smash.
And smash.
So when it's all that orangey color, all that sauce is all over it, that's when you know it's good to go. And you throw some chopped up tomatoes in. We got some tomatoes right there from the garden that are gonna go in. Some Thai eggplant we grew. And some Thai basil. Everywhere.
So good, Kevin. Jeez. It's really good.
When you're almost done, you can throw in your other accessories, like the stuff you don't want to get too smashed, like tomatoes. You don't want them to pop.
Okay.
Some fermented little crabs would be good in here. What else can you put? You could put like long beans. They're like green beans, but like longer. They're crispy.
Oh yeah, those are good.
Long shredded carrots. Kind of like coleslaw. You know how when they're shredded like that? That's pretty good too. But this is basic. You guys can do however you want. Let me know how you guys eat it, and then I'll make a recipe for that too. All right, so let's give it a little taste test before we stir in the other ingredients. So just go ahead and grab some. This will let you know whether it's just the lemon, the sugar, or the salt.
Oh my god. It's definitely really hot, but it is so good.
That's good. It's pretty sweet. It's very sour. I think I need some fish sauce to balance it out.
It's spicy.
So I'm gonna put a little more fish sauce. Are you okay? That's good. Very spicy. But man, oh man, it's good.
That is so good.
All right, let's get those tomatoes in. Can you pass me that plate right there?
Very flavorful.
All right.
Very spicy.
We got Thai eggplant and a little basil right there. That's a good garnish at the end there. Got some tomatoes up in there. Bomb.
Good.
Very good.
Very Thai. Flavorful. Spicy.
Oh yeah, you could put some crushed peanuts in there if you want to get all crazy. So, all right.
So good.
Are we ready to serve it up?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go ahead and serve it on up.
I can definitely taste the garlic in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. And the lemon too.
There we go. Marissa's putting on some Thai basil right there.
Okay.
And we got some Lao mung sausage up in there. That goes very good with this right there. You got your papaya salad, your mung sausage. You got some Thai basil and some Thai eggplant. That goes very well with it. There you have it, guys. That's Kevin and Marissa's papaya salad. All right, let's give it a taste, guys. This is Marissa's first time tasting my papaya salad. So, get a little Thai eggplant up in there.
This looks really good. Gotta get your sausage in here too. How do you eat it?
Just eat it however, it's salad.
Because I'm like just making it like this.
A little Thai basil up in there.
God. Wow.
Very spicy.
It's very good. Very flavorful.
Yeah, it's very fresh. You have the lemon or lime juice. You have the fresh herbs. Everything is fresh in there. It's really good. And the green papaya. Really good for your health, antioxidants and digestion.
You can adjust your spice if you're not a big spicy person. Don't put so much peppers in. But this is really good.
It is. So spicy, it's pungent, it has a good sweetness to it. That balances out the heat. So also it is very spicy, but you know, it has a little balance to it with the sweetness and the sourness too.
Very, very healthy, like everything's pretty much from your garden.
Yeah, it's very organic. You grow the garlic.
Even the fish sauce.
We grow the chilies, papaya, Thai eggplant, and the basil.
Fish sauce is good for your skin.
I heard. Do you rub it all over your face or you just eat it?
I've never tried that before, but that might be something interesting to do.
You guys want to see a Trap Beauty beauty channel?
Oh yeah, let me
Using
know.
household ingredients and prison ingredients to make facial spreads and masks? Let us know.
I would do it.
You can make Kool-Aid lipstick.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah.
Kool-Aid lipstick. Never thought about that.
You can mix a little Kool-Aid with Vaseline and there's your blush right there.
Probably never come off. Maybe for like, it'll stain your lips for a week. How awesome is that?
You could use baby oil and ash,
Okay.
you know, and make a little paste, and that's your mascara right there. Yeah.
Maybe you can use charcoal too.
Yeah. So just normal ingredients that you have in prison. But you know, if you women are locked up, you guys still want to look pretty and stuff, you guys just, you know, use that. Buy the mayonnaise from the commissary, you can make a hair mask. There's a lot of different ways that you can still look beautiful even though you're locked up. So stay tuned for the Trap Beauty channel coming up real soon, guys.
Don't forget to comment on this and let us know if you tried it and how it tastes.
Yeah, and let us know how you guys make yours. Every family and every country makes a little different. This is my style, but there's many different styles to make papaya salad, aka boy doo doo.
My nose is running.
Yeah, you're sweating.
Yeah. Am I? It clears your sinus.
All right, guys. Till next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget, the lower you squat,
The better it tastes.
all right, Trap Bistro out.